Welcome. If you've ever snoozed an email in Gmail and later wondered where it went, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn exactly how to view all your snoozed emails using the updated Gmail app on your phone. We all have those moments when an email arrives at the wrong time. A project update, a meeting reminder, or just something you don't want to forget but can't deal with right now. That's where Gmail's snooze feature comes in. It lets you hit pause on a message, making it disappear from your inbox and reappear when you're ready for it. But what if you want to check all those snoozed messages before the reminder pops back up? Here's how you do it. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Gmail app. This is where all your accounts and messages are waiting for you. At the top left corner of your screen, look for the menu icon. The three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Tap it, and you'll see a sidebar slide out listing all your main folders and labels. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Snoozed. Give that a tap. Instantly, you'll access a dedicated list showing every email you've snoozed. Here, you can review what still needs attention, decide if you want to keep them snoozed, or perhaps take action on them right away. Each message in this folder displays just like it would in your regular inbox, but you'll notice a date or time. This is when that email is set to return to your inbox. You can open any of these messages, read them, reply, or even unsnooze them if you're ready to tackle them now. So the next time you're worried about missing a postponed message, remember, just head to the snoozed section in your Gmail app. This quick process helps you manage your emails on your schedule, stay organized, and never lose track of what matters. Give these steps a try the next time you snooze an email and take control of your inbox like never before. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.